Well, hello again. This is another check-in. So, how are you doing? In times like these, the most important thing to do is to be clear about what to do next. We can't honestly sell certainty to those that we lead when we ourselves aren't certain about the future. The uncomfortable truth is that people crave certainty. The next best thing that we can do is to provide clarity for them. We can best help by creating a map like that of the success blueprint to gain clarity for ourselves and those on our team. My client Alex became crystal clear about the optimized beliefs that she needed to achieve a bigger vision with. She regained lost confidence as a result of removing mindset obstacles that had sabotaged her past efforts in leading with a clear vision. She renewed her mind as a result of identifying why she was in business. Her goals were in complete alignment with her bigger vision, and she was able to effectively transmit that energy to her team. They now know what their assignments are, the time frame that they need to complete their mission, and most importantly, they know what to do next in an uncertain world. Alex no longer needs to pretend that she's certain about the future and mislead her team into thinking she is. She's no longer contributing to the uncertainty of the organization that her team felt because she now is crystal clear about what to do next. You know, Pretending erodes credibility quicker than admitting you don't know something. Saying that you don't know when you don't know is great leadership. Alex is now able to be honest and hopeful, realistic and reassuring, candid and clear. As the rock band Poison sang to us, give them something to believe in. Uncertainty is an opportunity to lead well. Whoever paints the clearest picture of what to do next is ultimately perceived as a visionary leader. Your people will follow you. It's most important for them to understand what to do next than what's going to happen next. Having an action plan gives clarity in the face of overwhelming uncertainty. It gives the team three very important things. Number one, everyone knows their assignments. Number two, everyone knows the time frames in which to get things done in. And finally, everyone knows what to do next. Let me frame this in another way. Having a clear understanding of what to do next is like driving on a deserted road at night with the headlights on. The only way to know what's ahead is to keep driving forward. With my expression of love, I strongly caution you not to succumb to the temptation of offering certainty. Clarity is the next best thing to certainty. Leadership is about taking people on a guided journey. Uncertainty is why the world needs leaders like you right now. So I'll ask you again, how are you doing? Are you excited to go down the path and frame the uncertainty of the world in an exciting new adventure?